You're a business owner and your client base. But there's one major obstacle standing in your way: the dreaded gatekeeper. These gatekeepers, whether they're receptionists, assistants, or even automated phone systems, seem to have one mission in life: to keep you away from the decision makers. They're like the bouncers at an exclusive club, determined to keep you out. But what if I told you that we've discovered a secret technique that allows you to bypass these gatekeepers entirely? A technique that not only gets you in front of the decision makers but also helps you land brand new clients and unlock an additional $65,000 in revenue. Yes, you heard that right, $65,000. Introducing our special bait technique. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that has revolutionized the way we approach client acquisition. Here's how it works. First, we identify our target clients, the ones we really want to work with. We do our research, gather information, and understand their pain points and needs. Armed with this knowledge, we create a compelling piece of content that directly addresses their challenges. It could be a white paper, a case study, or even a video, something that provides value and showcases our expertise. Next, we package this content in an irresistible way. We make it visually appealing, easy to consume, and most importantly, we make it exclusive. We create a sense of urgency and scarcity, making our target clients feel like they're missing out if they don't get their hands on it. Now comes the fun part: we send this bait directly to the decision makers. We bypass the gatekeepers by using personalized email outreach, social media connections, or even good old-fashioned snail mail. We make sure our message stands out from the crowd, grabbing their attention and piquing their curiosity. And guess what? It works like magic. Decision makers, tired of the same old sales pitches, are intrigued by our unique approach. They want to know more. They want to see what we have to offer. And before you know it, they're reaching out to us, eager to learn how we can help them solve their problems. The best part? We're not just getting in front of decision makers, we're landing brand new clients. Our bait technique has proven to be incredibly effective at converting leads into paying customers.